Well, well, let's see. I don't know what this is, but it looks really cool. But I'll leave it so far. And next, oh, what a cool thing! Come to Papa! Whoosh, whoosh! This I will take. Here we have nothing. And here too. A ladle? No time for soup now. Blaster, blaster, I need... Oh, Sammy, we agreed that there would be a blaster.
What do you mean, Sammy? Sue took all the blasters that we had to some kind of an exhibition or something. And this is the best I can make by myself.
Ah, I see. So be it. I'll help you. And I already have one idea.
Yippee! Roger, come on. How long should I wait for you? Oh, hi, guys. Today we're gonna create a cool blaster. Or at least I was told so.
He's out, Grumpy Grandpa. I'm here. Hello, everyone. So we'll make yet another cardboard blaster, which, apart from everything else, means that you might want to ask an adult to help you.
Be careful with that all, Raj.
Sure, and right through the center. Great!
Do the same with the rest of the triangles.
And now we'll take some glue and put all of them together.
Hey, Raj, what part of the blaster we're making here exactly?
Why don't we let that stay a secret for a little longer? Let's say this is one of the main parts of the serving mechanism.
Ah, intrigued. Me like it. By the way, we make quite a few videos about similar crafts. Feel free to check them out.
But only after you watch this video to the end. There we go. Great. Next we're gonna need this. Always remember to take right measurements whenever you're about to cut anything.
Hey, I got it! That strip of cardboard seasoned with double-sided tape will finish the triangle piece.
That's brilliant, Sammy. We won't need this for a little while.
Hey, Raj! Check out what I... Oopsie.
Whoa, Sammy, where did you get all of these?
I found your drawings for this craft.
And once again, all we've left to do is glue everything together. Friends, it's important to make all of these openings coincide.
Oh, that reminds me of a sandwich, and I'm a master at cooking those.
We're gonna need a couple more multi-lead parts for our blaster.
I'm looking for Roger, the crafter.
Yes, that's me.
You've got the mail, monsieur.
Huh, how interesting. Let's see. Oh, classy, Sammy. So classy. All right, people. For the next step, let me use the video editing magic. I'll just put these straight. Here is what we've got. That was pretty easy.
Do you wanna know what's gonna be next? Then subscribe and stay tuned. Roger, check out what I made. Huh? Wait, what's going on here?
I'll take this.
Hey,
Thanks.
Roger, explain yourself. Why did you ask me to make that piece if you already have two of them?
Because I need it free? See for yourself, Sammy. Now we'll just make it wider from both ends. And right here as well. And we practically get the central part of our blaster.
Finally, a piece that I do recognize. Roger, when are we gonna start assembling the shooting mechanism already?
What? You can't wait to try out your new blaster, huh?
No, I wanna eat more ice cream.
Aha, that's just what I need.
Hey!
You should always use only clean props for your crafts. Bam! And 2 openings we've got.
Roger, come on, I can hold it. Thanks.
Oh, come on, Sammy. You are strong. Better help me here.
So you can't do without me. Just a bit.
You may think that way if you'd like to. By the way, Sammy, watch closely, because we are actually assembling our mechanism. And you people, don't hesitate to ask an adult to help you.
Please be careful yourself, Raj.
I will, Sammy, I promise. Here we go.
Hey, Raj, check it out. Up, 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 up. That was cool, right?
That was awesome, Sam! And here is one little surprise for you. This triangle thingy goes right here. Now comes this terribly simple mechanism, carefully this way. And here. Oh. And ta-da! This is how our blaster is actually going to work.
Wait, what? Roger, this is amazing! If I knew it's gonna be so simple, I'd make that thing all by myself.
Oh, really? In that case, go on. What is your next step?
Hey, friends, help me out. Really? You think? The next step is, decor?
That's right, but before that, we need to cover the mechanism with one more cardboard piece.
Phew, that was close. Well, thank you, dear friends. Don't go anywhere. All right, Roger. I give up. I can't finish this crap without you.
Oh, Sammy, I'm flattered. You did a great job of this piece. Only we should probably make this side colorful.
I know. Give me just a sec. Oh, come on, you not-so-magic wand.
Whoa! Hey, that was unexpected.
Well, that's not quite what I had in mind, but it turned out great.
In that case, Sammy, get ready to conjure one more piece like that one. And you always be careful with the hot glue gun. Let's spare no glue at this stage. We need our blaster to be as solid as possible.
Hey, Raj, do that faster. I want to show you something.
Be my guest.
Ready? Voila!
Wow, new pieces.
Yeah, what do you say?
I see that somebody's learned a new trick. That was cool. Okay, let's cover the edges.
Well, Roger, I don't get it. Where's the opening for the bullets? Why can't I see it?
Hey, while you were talking, you didn't even notice how you've attached a muzzle.
You're right, I am awesome. But still something's off here. This is a job for a true detective. Ha-ha! Now I want to go through the sequence of events once more. What inspired Roger on that craft? A slingshot, right? Or better yet, a rubber band in it. We've already used that to secure the southern mechanism. But that couldn't be it. Or could it? Interesting. Am I right, Raj? Raj? Roger! Talk to me!
Sorry, did you ask me something?
Oh, Roger, just tell me already how this blaster serves the bullets!
Fine, give me a few seconds. Alright, Sammy, I guess I'm done here. Bring all the rubber bands you can find.
I'm on my way! Alright, take them all!
Thank you, Sammy.
So, are you saying that our blaster is going to serve these?
That's right, my friend. Now watch closely. This one goes right here. Here comes one more. And when we pull the trigger right here, our triangle piece will rotate and shoot with the rubber band.
Shiver me cheddars! I've gotta see it one more time! Roger, charge!
Well, this time it's totally gonna work. Let's see. Huh? Here it is.
Give up, Roger! You won't defeat us with that thing!
No way! Get that!
Hey! I thought it'll take you longer!
Phew! Sorry, buddy. I couldn't help that. I guess we have a rapid-fire blaster here.
Right, well, it's my turn now!
Friends, I hope you liked our craft today. Give a thumbs up to this video and check out our other cool episodes on our channel. Bye-bye!
And subscribe to our... What?